This is the SONY WF-SP800N headphones. This is a truly wireless sports headphones combined with long battery life, resistance to water and sweat, with a deep bass sound. So this pair of headphones is designed for sports. It is able to withstand splashes, sweat and dust, and you can even wash them after a training session. So you can see that it is quite solidly built and it is fully enclosed. It comes with a noise cancelling for headphones, so you are able to listen without distractions. It has secure feet with soft cushion, arch supporter and 3-dimensional curve design, and we have taken it for our runs and workouts, and it doesn't fall off from our ears. This pair of headphones comes with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and we have found that there is no lag in the music, as well as it maintains a stable connection throughout our workouts. The driver unit is 6 mm, and the approximate weight is 9.8 grams for each of these. So the battery charging time is roughly 2.5 hours, and you need to put it into the case for charging. So it takes 2.5 hours to charge the headphones. For the charging case itself, it takes approximately 3 hours to charge, and the total hours of play is 9 hours for a fully charged pair of headphones, with another 9 hours coming from the charging case itself, making it a total of 18 hours. One thing about the charging case that I personally do not like is that it doesn't come with a flat surface at the bottom, so it's not able to stand and you just need to leave it on its side. So the headphones has got 3 modes: noise cancelling, ambient and ambient sound off. We will show you how to activate and deactivate these features in our next video. So do check out the SONY WF-SP800N headphones. We have used it for several weeks and we find that it is a pretty decent pair of headphones.